Galingan mo na, ha? Ito. So, answer this. The sun is bright. The sun is bright. Complete sentence or incomplete sentence?
Incomplete because there's no who.
Oh?
I think the sun is the who.
The sun is the who. And then,
It's bright.
it's
So,
bright.
It's check.
It's a complete sentence. Okay,
Yes,
very
it's a
good.
complete sentence.
Okay. Next one. In the morning.
It's not. It's no.
No, it's not a complete sentence.
Yes.
Why?
Because I think
There
there's
is
nobody.
There's no who, ano.
Yes, there's nobody.
Walang pinag-uusapan. In the morning, ano yung ginagawa?
I don't know.
Cooking in the morning, ano. What else? My brother plays basketball.
It's definitely a yes.
It's a complete sentence.
Yes.
Sino yung who?
Your brother.
Okay. Ano yung what are they doing?
Base.
Plays. Okay, basketball. Ano pa? The tall tree.
There's no who, so it's
Merong who, the tall tree.
Oh.
The tall tree, but ano yung gawa ng tall tree? The tall
Nothing.
tree is ano?
Nothing.
Nothing. So
So it's no.
is it a complete sentence?
It's a round, bro.
Okay. So you know if somebody ask you, mabaho ako. Ay, hindi pa. The cat is pooping. Is it a complete sentence or not?
Yes. It's
It
a
is.
complete sentence.
Because mayroong
Wow.
merong who at merong gawa, ano? Naligo.
Ba.
Di
So,
ba? Ano pa ba?
There's no who, so nonsense.
Not a complete sentence. Okay. So, alam mo na ang complete sentence. Perfect mo na ba ang exam? Sure na walang mali, ha? Sure na walang mali.
Tenga.
Ang tenga. The ears.
Walang galaw.
Walang galaw.
So,
Kulang ano? What lang ano? What?
yes. And so, it's non-sentence.
O paano gagamitin kumpleto ang the ears?
The ears.
The ears
E.
are the ears are
E-R.
dirty. The ears are dirty. Is it a complete sentence?
Yes.
Yes. Because sinasagot niya yung
What?
ano nung ears.
The wow.
Okay. The dog has a tail. Ano pa?
Definitely yes.
Definitely yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, tingnan dito. I'm hungry na. I love you.
Hate.